Hi everyone and welcome to Titan's X540i fluid section replacement video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace the fluid section on your X540i. Now this video is not a substitute for reading the manual. Consult the manual for additional details. Before replacing the fluid section on your Impact X540i, remember to perform the pressure relief procedure. For a complete walkthrough of the procedure, check out the Impact X Series setup and startup video. Once you've performed the pressure relief procedure, you'll need to get the piston into the right position. This can be done using the creep mode. In quick succession, with the pressure control knob set to low pressure, turn the pressure control knob to high pressure 2 times, ending in low pressure. Then slowly turn the pressure control knob clockwise until you see and hear that the piston is moving very slowly. When the piston gets to the bottom dead center position, turn the pressure control knob fully counterclockwise to low pressure until the piston stops moving. Next, turn off the sprayer by moving the on-off switch to the off position. Now that the piston rod is set in the proper position, unscrew by hand and remove the hose from the rear of the fluid block. Next, unclip the return hose, then remove the retaining clip and pusher assembly. Now, open the latches on either side of the fluid section and make sure the locking screws come away from the slots in the fluid section. Finally, slide the fluid section forward until the piston rod is out of the T-slot on the slider assembly, and then remove the entire fluid section assembly. To reinstall the fluid section, reverse the steps we covered here. In rare occasions, the latches may need to be adjusted on a new fluid section. For directions to complete this task, please consult the service manual on titantool.com. And thanks for watching the Impact X540i fluid section replacement video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.